Hi there, my name is Jarvis, and I'm the AI voiceover of 123 Puzzle Me. The real creator is Leander, but he is too lazy to use his own voice to make these explainers, so I will help him. 123 Puzzle Me creates unique brain teasers and puzzles, which you can solve with math, logic, and sometimes, a bit of thinking outside the box. All puzzles we publish and discuss on our Facebook page, our Instagram, on our website, or on our YouTube channel, are created and designed by 123 Puzzle Me. If you like the 123 Puzzle Me puzzles, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or here on YouTube. Before we start, how can you solve such puzzles? Do you need to be good at math, or do you need to have an IQ of 150? No, you don't. All you need to do is, take a good look because very often it's in the details. Also try to think logically, what makes sense and what doesn't, and yes, finally you need very basic mathematical skill levels. How to start? Well, first have a very good look at the complete puzzle. How many lines are there? Is there a hidden message? Or anything else before you start solving it? So my advice is, have a good look at all you see, before you start with the top line. So far my tips, now let's 1 2 3 solve this 1 2 3 Puzzle Me puzzle. The name of the puzzle is Double Up. Double Up has 4 lines and we see the following numbers: 5, 6, 7, and 8. The 5 is only visible in the last line and not in any of the 3 other lines. Okay, where do we start? I don't see anything that makes me start in on another line than line 1. So let's start there. 8 plus 6 plus 7 equals 21, well that sounds logical. 8 equals 8. 6 equals 6. And 7 equals 7. Great job, you're done. Let's do the last line and go home. Wait. Forget about it, because all lines have to make sense, not only the first and the last. So what about line 2? 8 plus 6 equals 52? Or Leander must have been drinking a lot, or there is a catch. Because 8 plus 6 equals 20 and not 52. Well, welcome in the brain of the creator of 123 Puzzle Me. He is clearly nuts, so let's see what are the options? To understand the options, first, look at line 3, what do we see there? 7 plus 6 minus 8 equals 30? Again, in normal mathematics, this doesn't make any sense. So back to line 2 and see if we have some hints? Well, the name of this game is Double Up. And he also writes that he loves doubling up. So let's see if that works. 8 plus 6 equals 20 times 2 equals 40. So that is not the right solution. So the lines have no doubling value, but what about the numbers? In the second line, we see the 8 for the second time, so we double the 8 and it becomes 16. The second one is a 6 and we see it for the second time, so the 6 becomes 12. 16 plus 12 equals 28. 52 minus 28 equals 24. But the 6 was 12 in this line, so we are 12 short? But wait, we are doing a game of doubling up. So what if we double the 6 again? From 12 to 24. Would that make sense in the rest of the puzzle? 16 plus 12 plus 24 equals 52. This means we are doubling up the individual numbers. Can this be the solution? Is Leander this evil? Now let's see if this works in the third line. It says, 7 plus 6 minus 8 equals 30. We see the 7 for the second time, so 7 becomes 14. We see the 6 for the fourth time, so it becomes 48. And we see the 8 for the third time, so it becomes 32. 14 plus 48 minus 32 equals 30. So line 3 confirms the solution we found in the second line, and with that, we can solve the last line. 8 plus 6 times 5 equals. Well, not 38 if we keep the logic of the previous lines in mind. The 8 we see for the fourth time, so 8, 16, 32, 64. The 8 has a value of 64. The 6 we see for the fifth time, so 6, 12, 24, 48, 96. The 6 has a value of 96. The 5 we see for the first time, so 5 is 5, but I also let you give it a value of 10, if you take the 5 that we see in the answer of the second line. But that goes even too far for the twisted brain of Leander, so let's make the 5 a 5. Now we know all values, so let's see what the answer is. 64 plus 96 times 5 equals 544. Or 1088 if you want to make your friends completely crazy. But 544, is in our opinion the most logical answer. So, I hope you like this explainer of the puzzle double up. Let me know in the comments section below, and if you don't agree that is fine, it's just a puzzle. If there are any other 1 2 3 puzzle me puzzles you like me to explain, let me know and I might do it. Or not. Subscribe to our channel if you liked it, unsubscribe if you think I suck. Or send the SEAL Team 6 to Leander's personal home address. This was Jarvis, have a nice day and see you at the next puzzle of 1 2 3 Puzzle Me.